Hi, Explain That here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of your mail on iPhone. I want to show you a real simple way to sign out of your mail account here on iPhone or just remove it. You can't do it in this app, you need to do it in settings. So we go to settings, press on settings, scroll down until you see mail, just press it. And then we go to accounts. So you have two accounts, one iCloud and one Outlook. So we go, if you want to sign out of your iCloud, press iCloud, then here on iCloud, and then you see iCloud Mail on. Press this one and then you see this button is already on. So if you want to sign out of your iCloud Mail, just toggle this button off. I'm not going to do this for this video, but if you want to do it, you can press that one. Now we're going to back to our other mail, our Outlook mail, so press back again, last one, and then we see the Outlook one. This one is inactive for me right now, but if you press this one, you see at the bottom delete account, so you can delete it completely, or if it's on, you can press this one off and then it will sign you out of your mail. So this is how you sign out of your mail on iPhone. Thanks for watching.